Hey girl, hey, we're back again with another Colourpop review. Colourpop's at it again, and this time it is a 30 pan eyeshadow palette. You guys are seeing by the title, this is the brand new It's a Mood palette, and this one, as of today, when I'm filming this, they have not announced the launch date. They haven't even posted about it on their socials. They didn't let me know that I shouldn't be posting it before they announced it, but I did go check out Trend Mood's Instagram and she posted it, so here we are. We're going to show you guys this palette in action. I'm also going to share with you guys all the swatches of this beautiful palette. Let me read the little pamphlet here. It doesn't have any pricing, but I know that other 30 pan eyeshadow palettes from Colourpop usually are $34. I do have not an affiliate code, it's a discount code. They gave me one for you guys to get $5 off of your purchase. So basically it'll be $29 for you guys if you guys use my code. I'll have my code listed down below in the description box. And the code again is not an affiliate code, which means that I don't earn commission if you use my code. It's just for you guys to get $5 off. But if you guys do click the link below and purchase this palette via the link down below, I do earn commission that way. That supports my channel. Now that we cleared that up, let me show you guys this beautiful palette. This perfectly moody palette delivers all sultry, rich shades you've been craving this season. Now that summer is over, we're going into the fall, and this palette is going to be perfect for that. Okay, this has a range of rich rust, pops of plums, glimmers of greens and teals. There's a combination of mattes, metallics, and pressed glitters. This is not going to be on the website from the date that I'm posting this because it has not, we don't have a launch date yet, but this is like a first peek into this palette. I'll have Colourpop's website link down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into some swatches. After the swatches, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial of me using the palette. So let's do it. Okay, so this here, you guys are seeing the very first row in order. We have 2 shimmers and 4 mattes. Now you guys are looking at the second row. We have 4 shimmer shades, 1 matte, and 1 pressed glitter at the end. Beautiful colors. That third shimmer really intrigued me, and that's the one we're going to be using for today's makeup look. Moving along to the third row, we have all mattes and 1 shimmer. They do look a little bit patchy, but girl, this is after I filmed my makeup look. If I knew that the swatches were going to come out a little bit on the patchier side, I would have probably used the patchier shades just to see if they blend out well and if they turn out patchy on the eyes. So I guess I'll do a separate video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see me using this palette a lot more. And I did use the first shade that is on my arm, right over here, that one. And it looks patchy on my arm, but it blended out so well. You guys will see it in just a minute, but let's finish up with these swatches first. All right, guys, so this is the last row here. You have all mattes and 1 pressed glitter right in there. You can see how pretty that pressed glitter is. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into a little tutorial now. First thing I'm going to take is this Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer. Tongue twister. The thing about this eye primer is that it's kind of like really watered, like it just feels really watery. So after using it like the first 2 times, it just began to get really watery. So just make sure you shake it before using it. If you guys do plan to try this out, but I do like it. You just have to shake it every time. Do not forget. So I like to go in with the eye primer on the back of my hand, and then I go in with a beauty sponge just so that I'm able to distribute this product all throughout the eye like this. The first color I'm going to be using is called You and I. This color looks really nice, and so far, so good. This color is definitely buildable, as you guys can see. Like if I deposit more, it just gets darker. But this is going to be our transition color, so we don't want it to be too intense. We want it to be very soft. Next color I'm using is called a Midnight Run. And we're focusing this color into the crease. I did pick up a fluffy brush like this one, only because this is not going to be the actual crease color. This is just to soften and break up the color before and the next color. Beautiful transition between both of these so far though. See that? Like the intensity is there. It's buildable. Loving it so far. To intensify this look just a tad bit more, I'm gonna go into this next shade called Our Deal. And I'm using a much skinnier, fluffy brush. This one here is the Sigma E36 brush. Oh shit, that just got everywhere. Oh shoot, that one has quite a bit of kickback, so make sure you tap it out before going in there. This one is gonna go right into the crease area. Girl, that is pigmented and I love it. Usually, dark shades from Colourpop begin to get like really patchy, so I am not seeing that with this color, and it's really, really intense. So this is gonna work really well for nighttime looks or smoky eyes. This is gonna be perfect for that. So you can definitely do a smoky eye just by putting this all over the lid, and you'll have a perfect smoky eye, but we're not doing that today. I wanna use more colors so you guys can get an idea of what these colors look like and how they perform. Okay, once that color is there, I'm gonna soften up the edges a little bit more. Okay, I'm really liking it. I just feel like I have to go in with a fluffier brush just to go in there with the Midnight Run, which is the previous shade I was using before, and soften the edges a little bit more right here. But the intensity of that last shade, OMG. So good. Just work the edges until you're happy, because I'm not happy so far, and I take a shit ton of time with my eyeshadow all the time. See, you can still see that division between two colors, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go in there a little bit more. Okay, girls, so after a ton of blending, I'm a perfectionist, okay? If I'm not happy with the blending, I will go on and on until I get the blend that I want. I want a gradient effect when it comes to my eyeshadows, and you guys can see, you don't see where one color ends. Like, they just blend in so nice into each other. With these three shades, I'm really impressed so far, but now it's time to dive into some of these beautiful shimmers, and let's get a flat brush for that. I'm going to be doing a cut crease, so I'm taking this little brush that I picked up from Michaels. I will have it linked down below in the description box, but I'm going to just be quiet because this is going to take me forever. I hardly had any fallout, just a few specks right here. But anyway, we're going to cut the crease now. I'm going to take this brush from Michaels. I will have it linked down below so you guys can see it, and maybe you guys want to stop by Michaels and grab this, because this just makes cutting your crease super easy. At least for me, it does. Alright, and now that we have our guide, I'm going to take a flat brush and take some more of this primer and just start to apply this primer all over the eyelid underneath our guide. I'm going to grab some of the dark brown once again, the one that I just applied to the crease area, and just apply it to the outer edge right here. This color Thunder is really attracting me a lot, so I'm going to go in with the color Thunder first. On camera, this color looks silver. It's kind of like a monochrome color. Let's see how it appears on the eye right here. And with the packing brush, you want to make sure you stay underneath the crease, okay? With a little flat brush. Kind of like stamp on the color. I did not mess up with this color. It's beautiful. But I am getting quite a bit of fallout with this shade. So I expect that with shimmers, so just be very cautious. I usually do my face makeup last, but today we didn't. Now for the next shade, I'm taking the color Wanna Go, which is like a dirty gold color. Dirty gold green color. Does that make sense? All right, tap, tap, tap in. Yes, girl. Tracey did not come to play today. Sometimes I'm just so proud of myself that I just don't even have the words, you know, because I'm like, wow, you did that. You did that. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I am kind of wanting to do some eyeliner today for some reason. So we're going to do that. I'm going to use this Morphe Ink Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm only going to take it on top of my lash line. I'm not going to even wing it out. Let me just try to pack in that dark shade. I wish there was like a black in this palette. I think it would be so perfect to have the black and just have the eyeliner tie in together with the black eyeshadow. It would have just been perfect, but I'm kind of happy with this. What do you guys think? For my waterline, I'm going to use the Colourpop Cream Gel Eyeliner, and this one is in the color Wildcat. I'm also going to use the color Wanna Go, which is that color that I previously used, this one right here. And I'm going to be applying it to the bottom lash line, right underneath that liner, just like that. And at this outer edge right here, the outer bottom corner, I'm going to take this next color called Oblivion. Just like that. I want to do a tad of glitter. You guys, I always tell you guys it's bad for me to use glitter on my eyes. Like my eyes don't do well with glitter, but I'm so tempted to add just a tad bit of the color Ritual. And with Ritual, I'm going to apply it right underneath here. Just like that. Now I'm going to do some mascara, some lashes, the other eye, and I'll be right back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, my love, we are back now. I have my eyelashes on. If you guys like this style, you guys know I only rock my eyelashes. Gotta promote myself. These are in the style of Dream. They are synthetic lashes, so if you guys are interested, I'll have them linked down below in the description box. But we are going to finish off the video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial of this eye look using this brand new eyeshadow palette. I think is so beautiful. For the colors that I did use, I had no trouble whatsoever using these colors. They blended out so well. The pigment is there, and for the price with Colourpop, you can never go wrong. This palette is only, I'm pretty sure it's only going to be $34. And again, I do have a discount code, which is 5Tracey at checkout, and you guys get $5 off of any purchase with Colourpop. Again, I don't know the exact date of when this palette will be launching, but I'll keep an eye out for it, and I'll let you guys know down below in the description box. But are you guys excited about this palette? Let me know down below in the comments, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.